Alright, Steven, here is your Evo X. All done, ready to fly. Turned out pretty awesome. So you have, let's go through the parts. So you got the Emax 1106 6000 kV motors. You have the Speedix IS100 stack. Aero Micro Pro. I added a LED buzzer combo here. These are pretty awesome. I have it set up for arming, so like when it's disarmed it'll be white LEDs, and then when it's armed it's blue, but you can change it to whatever you want. I love this stack because everything unplugs and completely comes away from the stack. So this plug right here is for your receiver. Your receiver is right up here on top. It's the Spektrum SPM 4648, I think, or 47, something like that. It's the auto bind one, not the telemetry one. And I'll show you how that works in case you don't know. In the back here is two more plugs, and those go to the LED and buzzer, so you can unplug that and completely move that away. This is for the camera. You can unplug that and completely move the camera away, and all you're left with is the 3-stack. So it's pretty awesome. I'm really liking this stack. Been using it a lot lately. Okay, let's plug in the battery. I'll show you the video feed and the receiver. So for the receiver, hopefully you're not completely new to quads and you know what you need to do to set up a new model in your Spektrum radio. You know, you got to raise the travel adjust all the way up. You got to reverse yaw and roll, I think it is, and you know, a couple other things. Once you've done that, turn your radio off. Plug in the battery to the quad, and then you wait, and you'll see the receiver on top here. It'll start flashing right now. See, started flashing. You can see right there. So now you can hold down the bind button on your radio, turn your radio on, and it'll bind right up. You might need to hold your radio like a couple feet away, and it might not bind the first time. You might have to try it again a couple times. You know, I've had it take 4 or 5 times before, but the majority of the time it'll do it the first try. Here's the video, nice and clear, looking good. OSD's on, but it's not set up. You can set it up however you want it, you know. Alright, let's take it to Betaflight and show you the motor spinning up. And kids, don't do this at home. Always remove your props. Always. Yeah, that LED is bright. Okay, here is motor 1. And I already checked that they're all spinning the right way. I checked it 2 or 3 times. So here's motor 2. Motor 3. Motor 4. Alright, there we go. Everything's all set up in Betaflight already. The ports tab set up, UART1 for serial RX configuration. It's on D-Shot 600. 8K, 8K, it's on Spektrum 2048. Power and battery, I put that down to 3 and 2.8. It's set for a tune that I use on other Evo X's, which works really good. Receiver set up TAER1234, which is good. Modes, I got ARM for auxiliary 1 and only have air mode for auxiliary 2. The accelerometer is on. I don't know if you use self-level or not. If you don't, just go down here, configuration tab, and turn off the accelerometer. And LED strip. I think I set it up for arming. Yeah, hold on a second. Yeah, it's set for armed state, and then unarmed is white and armed is blue. So, all right, there you go, all done. I will send this out today and send you over some tracking. All right, thank you.